Every capsule you take for bone health began its journey in raw animal bones.
From raw bones to life-changing medicine.
One hand holds the raw source.
This line turns bones into medicine that supports millions of patients worldwide.
Quality-controlled bones are the foundation. Every batch is traceable from farm to final capsule. These bones carry the collagen and minerals that will become therapeutic medicine.
Precision crushing ensures maximum yield of medicinal compounds.
Every kilogram is accounted for to ensure consistent medicinal potency. Controlled temperature and cleaning remove impurities before extraction begins. Conditioning maintains 2 degrees Celsius tolerance for process consistency. The precise blend determines the final medicinal quality and yield.
This is the moment bones begin their transformation into bone medicine.
Heat and controlled chemistry begin releasing the therapeutic elements from bone matrix.
This step isolates key components used in regenerative bone medicines. Acid demineralization processes achieve 90 to 95% mineral recovery. Multiple filtration stages ensure the medicine meets stringent pharmaceutical purity standards.
Every imperfect fragment removed here protects the purity of the final bone medicine.
Controlled chemistry opens the bone matrix so its medicinal compounds can be harvested.
Trained eyes and instruments catch defects early, safeguarding every future dose of medicine.
Pressure and heat unlock the healing potential locked inside the bone structure.
Centrifugal force cleanly divides waste from the precious extract that will become medicine.
Removing water here intensifies the therapeutic strength of the future medicine. In seconds, liquid becomes stable powder, ready for capsule formulation. Uniform particle size ensures consistent dosing in every capsule. Pharmaceutical milling achieves particle sizes of 50 to 200 microns for optimal bioavailability.
Precise blending creates the balanced medicine patients rely on. Granules flow better and compress more reliably than loose powder.
Strong yet dissolvable granules ensure the medicine releases correctly in the body. Each capsule receives a carefully measured dose of bone-derived healing compounds. High-speed capsule fillers produce 50,000 to 150,000 capsules per hour. Clean capsules ensure patient safety and product elegance. Cameras check weight, color, imprint, and integrity faster than any human eye. Even here, nothing is wasted. Quality is restored whenever possible. Rework rates in capsule production average 1 to 3% in well-controlled facilities. Restraints. This thin layer ensures the medicine survives stomach acid and reaches the right place. Enteric coatings are typical. The last cleaning ensures the medicine is pristine when it reaches the patient. Final air washing removes particles larger than 5 microns.
Controlled conditions here lock in potency and stability for years.
These tests confirm that the medicine will work exactly as intended inside the body.
Separate streams become one batch, ready for packaging and distribution.
A final signature confirms that every step met the highest pharmaceutical standards.
precision machinery ensures every capsule contains exactly the right amount of bone-derived medicine. Robots provide consistent, contamination-free sealing processes cannot match. Controlled force creates tamper-evident protection around each dose of bone medicine.
Every mark ensures full traceability from these bones to the patient. Microscopic finishing ensures capsules are safe and easy to swallow. Accurate counting guarantees patients receive exactly the prescribed number of doses.
These tests ensure the medicine survives transport without damage.
Consistent robotic handling protects the integrity of every bone medicine dose.
No capsule leaves until it proves it will deliver medicine effectively. These tests guarantee the medicine remains potent until it reaches the patient.
This code links every capsule back to its exact batch of bones. Every critical specification is verified before the product moves to packaging. The last cleaning ensures the medicine arrives pristine to patients. Final cleaning removes particles down to 25 microns. Custom packaging is engineered to protect the bone medicine throughout its journey. Proper primary packaging reduces transit damage by 70 to 90%.
Every element needed for safe use is included with the medicine.
The carton becomes the medicine's armor for global distribution.
Vision systems ensure every label is perfectly placed and readable. Labeling accuracy reaches 99.9% with vision systems.
From individual doses to efficient shipping units, scale in action. One pallet can contain thousands of doses, ready for hospitals and pharmacies worldwide.
Rigorous sampling confirms the entire batch meets pharmaceutical standards.
From raw bones to finished medicine, this is the full transformation. A facility of this scale can process 15 to 40 tons of bones into medicine daily. Today's numbers reflect the precision and care behind every capsule. World-class pharmaceutical plants target OEE above 85%.
Every pallet started as bones and will soon support patient health worldwide.
This capsule represents every step, every check, and every dedicated worker, delivering healing from bones to medicine.